So, hi, let me show you how I went from this, yes, to this. And then I couldn't maintain it because skincare is costly. Lotions are costly, promixing are costly. I couldn't keep up to it, and I went from this to this back. And right now, this is my color, and I'm maintaining this because I don't have the money for skincare now. Until I have the money again to spend on skincare, I will go back to this color. So let me tell you how you can achieve this shade or this complexion within 6 months. Don't go for 2 months. Don't go for 3 months. Yes, there are lotions you're going to use to achieve it in 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, but that is going to damage your skin. Like, seriously, it's going to damage your skin. So, like, there are also some people who want to know how to maintain their golden color. So we're going to go by that first. Let's talk about how I maintain this golden color without going back to this shade. Just maintain a clean, dull skin. So number one is you're going to make use of this. This is what Carotone BSC. And when you're going for Carotone B, I'm going to be very direct because I want this video to be very, very fast. So when you're going for Carotone BSC, you're going to go for #2. You can see how many I've used. You can see there are lots more. That's not what I'm going to be like showing. So you're always going to go for #2. If you buy and you check here, you don't see any number, please do not buy. All the whole ones are bought and I checked and I didn't see any number. They are always not working. So always check for #1, 2, 3 or highest 4. That is what you're going to be using. And this is the new one I am using. You can see it's still remaining, and this one is what #2. I don't know if you can see it, and this one is #2, and it works pretty well. Now, how do I use it to maintain this golden color of mine? I'm using it with palm kernel oil, and the regulars of this palm kernel oil is 15,000 naira, and this one, last I bought, is 2,500 naira. So I make use of these two, palm kernel oil and Carotone BSC, to maintain this look. And remember, if you're going to use sunscreen, I can't stand up right now to go inside. I forgot to bring that out. You're going to use sunscreen whenever you're going out. You're going to scrub every week or every month. You scrub. Then you lock in the moisture while you make use of this. Though this is oil, or you don't want your skin to be very dark, you need to lock them in so you don't lose moisture. So you lock them in with glycerin, and this is glycerin that I'm making use of. You can see, you lock it in with glycerin, just a little. I put in my hand, then put water and apply it. After I do what, apply this too. Then I apply this to lock it in because you don't want your skin to be dry. And that is how we maintain this golden complexion. Now back to how I achieve this complexion. I really miss it. It is very, very expensive. Now you're going to, number one is smooth as sleek. Like, that soap is, just get your smooth as sleek soap. You're going to make use of this. Remember, in all my skincare videos, I'm always talking about how to make use of lotions, whitening lotions, or at night. Don't make use of whitening lotions in the afternoon when the sun is so high, very hot. You're going to get burns. Like, you will have dark circles. You're going to have black, like, you won't like your face when you make use of it like that. So number one thing you're going to get, you're still going to get this glycerin because you need to lock in the moisture. You need that moisture so that your skin is not going to dry up. You're still going to need this. It is your choice to dilute or not to dilute. You're still going to need this. You're going to need lemonvate. Yes. And you're going to use any whitening lotion. Any whitening lotion. I promix. That is. So use your lemovate to promix your SW. I'm looking at the book. These are the few whitening lotion you can promix to achieve this tone or achieve this complexion. There are so many, so many. So you can use your SW plus whitening lotion. You can use super whitening lotion. You can use Fem Glow. You can use Skin Doctor. You can use X7. So there are so many whitening lotions that work. Remember, what you're trying to do is to boost it so that you're going to get like 2 to 3 shades. But remember, the lotions alone can actually whiten or brighten you. All you want to do is to boost it to get to 3 shade complexion or 4 shade complexion. So that is why you're promixing it. So you're going to promix with lemovate, and these are some of whitening lotion you can make use of. There are plenty of whitening lotions you can make use of, and you can add some oil so that it's going to, calm it a little bit, or just leave it that way. Use your sunscreen, and also make sure you use your sunscreen. Make sure you scrub your body monthly. When you're starting to, whiten your skin, scrub your body weekly, once a week. When you start achieving the results, to avoid green vein, and you scrub monthly, and you don't use your pre-mixed whitening lotion every day. Let's say you're going to use it 4 days in a week or 5 days in a week, and the remaining 2 days you're going to moisturize. Use a moisturizer. You're going to moisturize. And then your face, when you're going out in the morning, just apply your vitamin C serum. Apply your vitamin C serum to your face, to your neck. Even if you want to maintain this golden color, use vitamin C serum. Now for the for the white skin, use Smooth as Sleek to kickstart your whitening journey. It is very active when you want to whiten your skin. So this is it. Smooth as Sleek, lemovate, X7, Skin Doctor, Perfect Glow, anyone you can get your hands on. Promix your lemovate and your Perfect Glow or your Skin Doctor. Share them into 2. That half that you have, still share it into 2 again. Then promix your lemovate with it. Make sure you get original ones. If you get fake skincare products, it's not going to work for you. That is just it. Make sure you buy original ones. And then you promix, and you're going to see a lot of changes. Remember to start from the top parts. Your knuckles, your elbow, your nails, your toes. Those places are very strong. Once they start lightening, then you proceed with your body before your face. And on the face, you're going to make use of this. Hashtag number 2 that works the best, 1 to 4. But make sure you try to get 1 to 3 that work the best. When you buy it, you're going to see a lot of changes. And make sure when you put it, trying to apply it, dilute with palm kernel oil. That's what I use for the face. Yes, for the face. And try to use vitamin C serum when going out, and also try to lock in moisture with glycerin after applying your lotion. Once you are out from bathing, then after applying your lotion and everything, you lock in the moisture so that your skin is not going to be dry. So that's it for today. Try and patronize me. Do you prefer this complexion or this? What do you think?